Hello friends, welcome to my channel Fascinating History. So all of us had studied history in our school days, right? But now if I ask you what is history, can you answer me? Maybe yes, maybe no. So in this video, we are going to learn what is the actual meaning of history. So without further ado, let's get started. So as we are Indians, we are familiar to one word which is itihasa, and often we use history as the English translation of itihasa. The word history derived from Greek word historia or the Latin word historia and first introduced to the writing of Herodotus. Simultaneously, the Sanskrit word itihasa is asa, which means it happened in the past. Though we all use the word history or itihasha as the translation of each other, but there is a fine difference between those two. Basically, history means all the datas of past or collecting all the datas from the past. On another hand, itihasha means not only collecting datas from the past, but also to analyze those critically and came to a specific proved conclusion. So I think it is clear to all that history and itihasha are not the same thing and the difference between two. But there is one more word familiar to all of us, which is past. What is past then? According to Professor Oshin Dashgupta, there are two types of pasts. First one is the normal past. Then what is the normal past? Normal past is basically all those things happened before the present. I mean, as an example, I can say the history of dinosaurs, or man started to use fire, or maybe I ate my breakfast today morning. All these things are normal past. But in another hand, the second one is historical past. What is historical past? The time expansion of historical past is like a baby to the normal past. Historical past started when man started to live together in a group and started to form a bond or relations between each other. Whether it is history or literature or singing or dancing or science, anything. Without Rabindranath Tagore, everything is incomplete. So Rabindranath Tagore wrote, history is not only the stories of the kings, their dynasties or the wars. It should be the story of the common people. Why the common people? Because common people is the major part of our society. So if you want to write the history without knowing all details about the common people of that particular time period, then your writing is totally incomplete. So in short, if you want to give an exact definition of the history or itihasha, this is not possible. But one thing you should keep in your mind, that history and itihasha are not the same thing, and neither they are only the translated form of each other. So history is basically all the facts from the past, and itihasha is the critical analysis of those facts to find the truth. So this is the basic theory of history. I hope all of you can understand what I am exactly trying to explain to you. If you think my video is quite informative, please do like my video and subscribe to my channel. One more thing, if you like beauty related videos, please go and check my another YouTube channel, Beauty with Twinka. That's it for today. See you in the next video. Till then, bye, take care, and thank you for your time.